Assault aircraft like the U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft, FLRAA, fly low and fast, land quickly, deliver soldiers to the X and get out all while evading the enemy in complex terrain. Sikorsky, a Lockheed Martin company, and partner Boeing have come together as Team Defiant to create an agile, maneuverable weapon system that flies twice as far and twice as fast as the Black Hawk and fits in the same operational footprint. With Team Defiant's unsurpassed experience in mission systems, training and sustainment, Defiant X will revolutionize the way the Army meets threats in 2035 and beyond. Defiant X is the best solution for the Army's mission today, and the only solution able to adapt to the threats of tomorrow. Maneuverability. X2 speed, combined with next-generation flight control maneuverability, will dominate in future Joint All-Domain Operations (JADO) environments. X2 technology offers revolutionary flight control design that will enable deceleration and acceleration that is truly transformational. X2 rotor design will ensure extraordinary flight stability, safety and assurance in the most rigorous of tactical operations. Defiant X will be equipped with a proven optionally piloted flight control system that will enable more reliable and safer operations in low-altitude, obstacle-rich environments or in degraded, uncertain conditions. Providing speed where it matters, Defiant X is ready for the future battlefield. Survivability. With unmatched range and survivability, Defiant X will change the way the Army fights, enabling crews to fly low and fast through complex terrain, where Army aviators spend most of their time. Defiant X incorporates Sikorsky X2 technology to operate at high speeds while maintaining low-speed handling qualities. This critical capability provides pilots with increased maneuverability and survivability in high-threat air defense environments, allowing them to penetrate enemy defenses while reducing exposure to enemy fire. Defiant X's compound coaxial rotor system and pusher prop allows for a high degree of maneuverability in and around the objective, which is also directly linked to survivability. Defiant X is the choice between just getting there and achieving mission success. Producibility. Together, Sikorsky and Boeing have built more than 90% of the U.S. Army's current military rotorcraft and have totaled more than 15 million flight hours. We're the team that has produced iconic military rotorcraft including Black Hawk, Chinook and Apache, and we are in the best position to deliver interoperability with the enduring fleet. With proven worldwide supply chain partners, Defiant X will leverage an established, low-risk manufacturing capability that is augmented by a proven digital thread and advanced manufacturing processes in use today on the Black Hawk, combat rescue helicopter and CH-53K. Sikorsky and Boeing's joint resources and experience in JADO capabilities make the Defiant X team the best team to deliver a holistic weapons system to the Army. Sustainability. The digital thread will run seamlessly throughout the Defiant X design, development, production, and sustainment process. Defiant X will be part of a connected logistical network that provides maintenance-free operating periods, improves interoperability and sustainment, and lowers overall costs through the data analytics of condition-based maintenance. It's the choice between rebuilding infrastructure or seamlessly introducing the world's most advanced vertical lift weapon system. Continuity. The transformational capabilities of speed, range and convergence in the Defiant X design delivers next-generation capabilities to the ground maneuver commander. Having the same operational sizing point as a Black Hawk enables Defiant X to land in formation, massing combat power in support of the ground tactical plan. Soldiers that have trained and deployed with Black Hawks will be familiar with the proven crash-worthy, survivable seating configuration of Defiant X. Maintainers will also appreciate Defiant X as it will leverage today's existing U.S. Army aviation support infrastructure. Future of vertical lift. We're modernizing and adapting our enduring vertical lift platforms and developing new systems to meet the Army's multi-domain needs. Defiant X optimized for operational effectiveness, agility, and sustainability, the Lockheed Martin Sikorsky Boeing Defiant X will revolutionize the Army's air assault mission by bringing speed and low-altitude maneuverability at the X, where staying below the radar is critical to surviving enemy air defense systems. Fitting in the same footprint as the Black Hawk, Defiant X provides revolutionary, affordable, advanced capability. The innovative design also limits changes to tactics, techniques, procedures, training, and infrastructure. Lifts external loads and demos single-engine capability. In 3 demonstrations during the same flight, the Lockheed Martin Sikorsky Boeing SB-1 Defiant registered helicopter demonstrated it is not only maneuverable, survivable and fast, but also provides the critical external lift capability of traditional rotorcraft. With Defiant X registered, the teams offering for the U.S. Army's Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft (FLRAA) crews will deliver troops and cargo to the objective, also known as the X, in future combat at twice the speed and range of the current fleet. During the tests, the dual-engine Defiant demonstrated single-engine operations which highlighted the added survivability of the aircraft should an engine sustain combat damage. These test flights are part of our continuing demonstration of how Defiant supports the Army's missions of massing combat power on the objective area, said Jay Macklin, a retired Army colonel and Air Assault Task Force commander and Business Development Director of Sikorsky Army, Future Vertical Lift and Innovations. During Indopacom operations, Defiant X's reach and unsurpassed demonstrated payload capability enables not only long-range air assault operations, but also ship-to-shore sustainment at extended distances well outside the reach of threat capabilities. Defiant X is a highly maneuverable aircraft that not only gets you to the fight, but allows you to bring the fight with you, fitting into landing zones that currently accommodate the UH-60 Black Hawk.